Grow Long Restoring Anti-Breakage Mask. Infused with caffeine, ginseng, and hydrolyzed keratin, this deep conditioning hair mask from Marc Anthony smooths the cuticles of your hair and promotes strength and softness. This formula will revive the elasticity of your hair and reinforce strength from the inside out. 10.4 ounces. Long hair, don't care. Formulated to help you achieve those perfect lengths without limits, Marc Anthony's Grow Long collection features moisturizing, anti-breakage formulas blended with caffeine and ginseng. For stronger, longer, healthier-looking hair, go strong and grow long. How to use. Apply generously to wet hair after shampooing. Leave on for 3 to 5 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. For the best results, nourish your hair with the entire Grow Long collection. Perfect for all hair types. Endless haircare innovation. The Marc Anthony team of style makers and beauty lovers never sit still, traveling the world to bring you the best ingredients to create professional quality products. Our products are paraben-free, SLS-free, sulfate-free, and phthalate-free. True enthusiasts. Experts in hair. Hair doesn't need to be complicated. Marc Anthony's mission is to make your hair play easy with premium, foolproof products at an affordable price. All the styles. All the fun. We do what it takes to make hair play possible. Marc Anthony Grow Long Anti-Breakage Hair Mask, prevent future breakage. The longer the hair, the older and weaker the strands, the more prone to damage and breakage. This anti-breakage mask instantly corrects damaged strands to improve texture and manageability by infusing nourishing proteins back into dry, weak and damaged hair, reviving the hair as elasticity and reinforcing strength from the inside out. Hydrolyzed keratin smooths the hair by filling in the cuticle, while caffeine and ginseng condition the hair to enhance the appearance and feel of longer locks. Avocado oil and argan oil offer hydration. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect. A small amount goes a long way. This product smells fresh, makes your hair softer than butter. LOL used together. The shampoo, conditioner leave-in conditioner system. You only need to use it 2 to 3 x a week. It does wonders for color-treated, bleached hair. I love this stuff. Definitely worth every penny. Price is considerably lower than most masks, but this one works better.